How to fix Google Chrome error_address_invalid. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check the URL for errors. A common reason for the error_address_invalid error involves entering the wrong URL. Check if the website address is written right and contains no extra characters or spaces. Old or broken cache and cookies might stop Chrome from loading websites correctly, leading to the error. Under Privacy and Security, pick Clear Browsing Data. Some browser add-ons, especially ad blockers or VPNs, sometimes mess with website connections. Turning off these add-ons might show if they are causing the issue. You can either delete them by pressing remove or toggling the switch to disable them. If that didn't work, ensure the option for using a proxy server is unchecked. If that didn't work,